A very good morning to all my dear students of class 11 of all the three streams, science, commerce and humanities. Once again I am back with my English video class. Students, in my previous classes I have already told you about the poet Walt Whitman. Then I gave you the central idea of the poem. Then I have given you the significance of the title of the poem. I told you the summary of the poem. I have explained to you line by line the poem The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman, as well as I have also told you the message conveyed through this poem. I have also given you the rhyme scheme of the poem. In today's class, I am supposed to give you the questions from this chapter, The Voice of the Rain. So you take out your English copies, put today's date, write the name of the chapter and the name of the poet, The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman, and start taking down the questions. The first question will be reference to the context or extract based questions. Okay, the first question will be reference to the context or extract based questions. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions that follow. You write the extract. And who art thou? Question mark. Said I to the soft falling shower, comma, which, comma, strange to tell, comma, gave me an answer as here translated. Colon. In the next line, I am the poem of earth, comma, said the voice of the rain. You will also get these extracts from the textbook. You can take the help of the textbooks also while you will be writing these extracts. Now, question number 1. Who is I? I will be within single inverted commas in the first line. Who is I in the first line? Question number 2. What does the rain call itself? Question mark. In the same question, why? Why? Question mark. Question number 3. Why does the poet say? Why does the poet say? Now, single inverted commas. You will be writing what I am telling now within single inverted commas. As here translated. As here translated. Question mark. Now, extract based question number 2. Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea, comma, upward to heaven, comma, whence, comma, vaguely formed, comma, altogether changed, comma, and yet the same. So this is extract based question number 2. Now you write the questions from this extract. Question number 1. What does the use of word eternal will be within single quotes, eternal, indicate here? Question number 1 of the extract based question number 2. What does the use of word eternal indicate here? Eternal will be within single quotes. Question mark. Number 2. From where does I will be within single quotes. I rise, and where does it go? From where does I will be within single quotes. Rise and where does it go? And question number 3 from this extract, explain yet the same. Yet the same will be within single quotes. Now, question number 2, that is short answer type questions. Short answer type questions. Question number 1 of the short answer type questions. Why does the rain call itself impalpable? Why does the rain call itself impalpable? Impalpable within single quotes, question mark. Question number 2 of the short answer type questions. Latent seeds get alive by rain. Stop, explain. Latent seeds get alive by rain. Stop, explain. Short answer type questions number 3. How does the rain become the voice of the earth? How does the rain become the voice of the earth? Question number 4 of the short answer type questions. Describe the never-ending cycle of rain. Describe the never-ending cycle of rain. And the last question of the short answer type questions, that is question number 5. Why do you think the poet says the phrase wrecked or unwrecked? Wrecked or unwrecked will be within single quotes. Question number 5 of the short answer type questions. Why do you think the poet says the phrase wrecked or unwrecked? Students, now you take down the long answer type questions. Question number 1. Rain is an eternal process benefiting mankind. Stop. Contrast it with human life, which is short-lived on this earth. Stop. Should we disturb these eternal elements of nature? Question mark. I do repeat question number 1 once again of the long answer type questions. Rain is an eternal process benefiting mankind. Stop. Contrast it with human life, which is short-lived on this earth. Stop. Should we disturb these eternal elements of nature? Question mark. Take down question number 2. Natural elements such as air and rain make no discrimination and bless everyone equally. Stop. Comment on class distinction and inequality, comma, which is a totally human creation. I do repeat question number 2 once again of the long answer type questions. Natural elements such as air and rain make no discrimination and bless everyone equally. Stop. Comment on class distinction and inequality, which is a totally human creation. You take down the last question of the long answer type questions. The poem The Voice of the Rain gives a hidden message that rain is essential for this earth. Write an article in 120 to 150 words describing the importance of rain. Stop. I am repeating the last question, that is question number 3 of the long answer type question. The poem The Voice of the Rain gives a hidden message that rain is essential for this earth. Write an article in 120 to 150 words describing the importance of rain. So students, I hope the poem is quite clear to you all. If you all have any problem, kindly contact me and clear your doubts. Okay, so you put today's date and do this work in your English exercise copies. And for today, bye bye. Thank you, students.